Hello everyone, this is Ikhlaq Khan. Today in this video what we are going to study is some extension of the accountancy. In the previous chapter we have discussed the meaning of accountancy, its features, objectives. In this video we will be discussing the limitations of accountancy. Accounting is not fully exact. This is the first limitation, that if we have calculated any figure, if we have make a account, so it does not mean it is fully exact. Then unrealistic informations which are provided by accounting is unrealistic sometimes. Though there are realistic informations, but still there are some chances that there will be unrealistic informations. Accounting ignores the qualitative elements. Now there are two main elements in any organization. One is qualitative, another one is quantitative. Quantitative elements means the elements which are represented in number, quantity. Quantitative means which are represented in numbers. So accounting used to keep the record of quantitative element, not the qualitative. What is qualitative element? Like what you can say, honesty, faithfulness. So being honest, being faithful, being lovable, these all are some qualitative aspects. Accounting does not keep the record of these qualitative aspects. They only keep the record of quantitative aspects. Next, accounting ignores the effect of price level changes. Once a material is purchased, whatever price it was purchased, accounting will keep the record of that price. Suppose if I have purchased one machinery on 1st of April 2015. So 1st April 2015 I purchased it for 1 lakh. Now at present, suppose on 1st of April 2020 the price is reduced. Now the price is say only 50,000, but what I have written 1 lakh because I purchased the machine at 1 lakh. So it ignores the effect of price level changes. Accounting may lead to window dressing. The word window dressing means to highlight some of the important points also and to keep in shadow some important figure. Window dressing, the word window dressing means to arrange some materials or some to show accounts which are false in nature, which are not true, and to hide the true accounting records, which is known as window dressing. So these are the certain limitations of accountancy. Let us move to accounting process. In case of accounting process, there are same steps which we have discussed while discussing the meaning of accountancy. Identifying the financial transaction and event is the first step. That in case of accounting, first and foremost we are supposed to identify the financial transaction, the transaction which involves money, in terms of money. After identifying, next is recording. Where we are recording in general, cash book, purchase book or sales book. This general, cash book, purchase book and sales book is discussed in your further chapters. Over here what you can understand, these are principal books, the books of original entry where transactions are recorded for the first time in a chronological order. After recording this in general, all the transactions will be recorded in general. What we need to do, we need to classify them. Posting into ledger. Ledgers are a small account made for each individual, so it is known as classifying. In general we are writing transactions for machine, labor, building, credit, goods, whatsoever. But in case of classifying, we are writing a category of transaction in one place. After identifying, recording, classifying, next is summarizing. How to summarize? Summarize is a trial balance. We prepare a trial balance, trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. This we will discuss later on. Then analysis and interpretation. After preparing this summarization, all the records are kept in one place so that to know the profit, so that to know the assets and liabilities. After this summarizing, what we need to do, we need to analyze and interpret the effects. And after analyzing interpretation, whatever information will be there, that will be communicated to the users of accounting information. Let us now see the word bookkeeping. In the beginning we have heard the word bookkeeping. The bookkeeping is an art of recording in the books of account the monetary aspects of commercials and financial transactions. So bookkeeping is the part of accounting. Bookkeeping is the process of art of recording. Whatever information that we are recording, the recording portion is known as bookkeeping. The steps recently we have discussed in the accounting steps, receipts. In those steps in accounting process. The process of up to recording, where we are recording the figures, is known as bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is the art of recording the transactions of financial natures in a business transactions. Okay, let us see the difference between bookkeeping and accounting over here. Bookkeeping is concerned with identifying financial transaction and event, measuring them in money terms, recording them in books of account, and classifying them. So hope the concept is clear to you. When we were discussing the meaning of accounting, we have discussed the same meaning, that accounting is the process of identifying financial transaction, measuring them in terms of money, recording them, and classifying them. So up to classification, it is the process of bookkeeping. After classification, accounting is concerned with summarizing. After classification, next is summarizing. So accounting is concerned with summarizing. The recording part is not done by accounting. Recording part is done by bookkeeping. Accounting used to do summarizing. Accounting is concerned with summarizing the recorded transactions and events, interpretation, and communicating the result thereof. So while we have discussed the process of accounting this way, the process of accounting, in process of accounting, up to this summarizing, up to this classifying, this is the work of bookkeeping. I hope the concept is clear to you. This up to this 3 states, it is known as bookkeeping. Why? Because bookkeeping is the process of keeping the records. After this is fourth step onwards, after third step, fourth step onwards, summarizing, analysis, interpretation, communicating, these are the part of accounting. I hope the concept and the difference now between the bookkeeping and accounting is clear to you. So this is the basic difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Now, as we have discussed the bookkeeping and accounting, there is one more word which is accountancy. Sometimes we use accounting and accountancy interchangeably, but there is little difference between the word accounting and accountancy. Accountancy is little different. Accountancy is a systematic knowledge of accounting. Accounting is a systematic knowledge of accounting. It explains how to deal with various aspects of accounting. Kohler has explained accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and practice of accountancy. Practice of accounting. So accounting in practice is known as accountancy. Accountancy is a knowledge of accounting, and accounting is the application of accountancy. Hope the concept of accountancy is clear to you. The accountancy is a systematic knowledge. It's the whole body of accounting. So systematic knowledge and application of accounting is known as, or accounting practice is known as accountancy. By this we have cleared our chapter 1 of financial accounting, class 11th. We will continue with the chapter 2nd in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any such confusion, please let me know through your comment in comment section box. Thank you very much. Have a very nice day ahead.